Daily English Talks. Making new friends.
Hi there. I saw you sitting alone during lunch, so I thought I'd come over and introduce myself. My name is Daniel.
Oh, hi, Daniel. That's really kind of you. My name is Emma, and I'm actually new here, so I haven't had the chance to meet many people yet.
Welcome to our school, Emma. It can be a bit overwhelming at first, but everyone here is pretty friendly once you get to know them.
Thanks, Daniel. I was a bit nervous this morning because it's always hard to start fresh in a new place where you don't know anyone.
I completely understand. When I transferred here last year, I felt exactly the same way until I started joining clubs and talking to people in my classes.
That's good advice. I was thinking about joining some clubs too, but I'm not sure which ones would be the best for meeting new friends.
Well, it depends on your interests. For example, if you like music, there's a school band, and if you enjoy sports, the soccer team is always looking for new players.
I actually love music, and I play the guitar a little bit. Maybe the band would be a fun way to connect with others.
That's perfect. The music club meets every Wednesday after school, and they're always open to new members.
That sounds great. Do you think they'd be okay with someone who's still learning and not super confident yet?
Absolutely. Most of the members are still learning too, and they really encourage each other to improve. It's a very supportive group.
That's a relief. Sometimes I worry that people might judge me if I'm not very skilled at something right away.
I know that feeling. But honestly, the best friendships often start when people share their learning experiences and help each other grow.
That's such a nice way to look at it. I guess being open and honest makes it easier to connect with others.
Exactly. When you're genuine, people can sense it, and it makes them feel more comfortable around you.
You seem really easy to talk to, Daniel. Do you always try to make new people feel welcome?
I try my best. I know how tough it can be to feel left out, so I like to make sure no one feels alone if I can help it.
That's really thoughtful of you. I wish more people were like that. It would make making friends so much easier.
True. Sometimes people are just shy, not unfriendly. Once you start a conversation, they open up more than you'd expect.
Yeah, I've noticed that too. Even just smiling or saying hello can make a big difference in breaking the ice.
Exactly. Small gestures like that show people you're approachable and kind.
I think I'll try that tomorrow. Just greet a few people in my class and maybe ask them about their hobbies.
That's a great idea. Most people love talking about their interests, and it's a simple way to keep the conversation going.
What about you, Daniel? How did you make most of your friends here?
Honestly, through group projects and activities. Working together gives you something to talk about and helps you bond naturally.
That makes sense. It's easier to talk to people when you have a shared goal or task.
Exactly. Plus, once you've worked together, you already know a bit about each other's personalities.
I like that idea. Maybe I'll volunteer for a group project next time instead of working alone.
You definitely should. That's how friendships begin, by sharing time, effort, and laughter along the way.
I like the way you put that. Friendship really does grow from shared moments and understanding.
It really does. And remember, good friends don't have to be many. Just a few who truly care make all the difference.
That's very true. I'd rather have a few genuine friends than a lot of people who don't really know me.
Same here. It's all about quality over quantity when it comes to friendship.
You know, Daniel, this conversation is actually making me feel much more confident about meeting people.
I'm really glad to hear that. Sometimes a little encouragement can make a big difference in how we approach new situations.
Yes, and now I feel like I have at least one friend already. You.
That makes me happy. I'd love to be your first friend here and help you get to know others too.
That would be amazing. Thank you so much for being so friendly and understanding.
Of course. Everyone deserves to feel included and welcomed,
especially when they're new.
You know, I think joining that music club will be my first step toward making more friends.
Great choice. I'll even come with you if you want. I don't play an instrument, but I enjoy listening.
Really? That would make me feel a lot more comfortable on my first day there.
Then it's a plan. We'll check it out together after school on Wednesday.
Sounds perfect. I'm actually excited now instead of nervous.
That's the spirit. Making friends should be fun, not stressful.
I agree. Friendship is about kindness, understanding, and being yourself.
Exactly. And you already have all those qualities, Emma. People will naturally like you.
Thank you, Daniel. That means a lot to me, especially today.
You're very welcome. Remember, every great friendship starts with one simple hello.
I'll keep that in mind. Maybe I'll say hello to a few more people tomorrow morning.
That's the perfect way to start. Before you know it, you'll have a whole circle of friends around you.
I really hope so. It would be nice to feel like I belong here.
You already do, Emma. You just need time to see it.
Thanks, Daniel. Talking to you has made my first day much brighter.
I'm happy to hear that. Let's grab lunch together tomorrow. My friends would love to meet you too.
That sounds wonderful. I'd love to meet them.
Great. I'll introduce you to everyone. They're all really nice.
Thank you again, Daniel. I'm so glad we met today.
Me too, Emma. New friendships always start in the simplest moments.
Yes, and I think this is the start of a really good one.